Nothing beats the thrill of taking your first bird, but it's all fun and game until your kitchen is knee-deep in uncooked game meats. Well, I've come down to the game fair, and over the next 3 days I'm going to be talking to the people who are running some of their food stalls here to get their tips and tricks to help young shots build up a game cookbook of their own. There's a wide range of dishes to try at the fair, but I've decided to head over to the Totally Game area, where some top chefs are handing out tasty snacks and handy advice for cooking with game.
I'd have to recommend the Tasty Game site, of course, but there's loads out there. More and more people are just using Instagram, to be honest. Follow decent hashtags. There's some people doing amazing stuff. So if you're on social media, you can find some incredible stuff. I still love a book. I love to have a physical cookbook with me. And again, another BASC food ambassador probably have to recommend Jose Soto. He's got 2 brilliant cookbooks focusing on all British game. Some fancy stuff, but also some simple stuff, and it explains all about the species, the seasons, and if you're going to get into it, there's a lot of knowledge in those pages.
You don't have to stick to the basics though. If you're looking to create some more adventurous dishes, there were plenty of crowd-pleasing recipes being crafted this weekend.
I love all those kind of fresh, non-gravy dishes, because I don't really like that kind of thing. So I think for young people particularly, everyone loves a curry. And it could be Vietnamese, it could be Thai, it could be from any of the subcontinents of India. You've got a massive range of things to go at, and I think people really like that. So yeah, spice for me is the name of the game, really.
But game isn't just limited to bird-based dishes. For any young deer stalkers, Exmoor Game Company have some useful tips on where to start cooking with venison.
Sure, it's that thing, don't be scared and just get stuck in. Venison is so much more versatile than you think it is. So whether it's a steak and you're sort of thinking, how am I going to do this? A bit of salt and pepper and just like a beef steak, and it's literally as simple as that. And I think people try and overcomplicate it a lot. I very much recommend our venison burger, which is a venison and beef fat burger with a bit of Worcester sauce and a bit of red onion. And on our website we've got a really simple recipe for a venison ragu as well, which again is just using this sort of minced venison, and that's a really nice way of introducing that into the diet, and you sort of notice the difference in having a lean meat then.
There's all sorts of recipes at the game fair, from beginner to expert, so that young shots can try their hand at. So if you want to take game from the field to the table, remember you can find these recipes and more on the Taste of Game website and social media links in the description below. If you'd like to work on videos and articles like this one and have a passion for game in the countryside, BASC is currently accepting applications for their 2022 Young Shots journalists. You can apply on the BASC website. The deadline's on the 6th of September 2021. Good luck!